So next interview question on replication is, what do you mean by subscriber? What is subscription, and what are the different type of subscription like push and pull subscription? Or just general question is, what do you mean by push and pull subscription? Okay, so subscriber means it's a database instance that utilize replication data from the publication. Okay, that is subscriber. And what is subscription? It is request to for a copy of a publication to send a subscriber, and that the subscription define how the and where and publication data received. Okay, there are two type of subscription, that is we can also ask, that is what is push and pull subscription. So we can say that push subscription distribution directly update data to the subscriber, means directly modify data from publication to subscribe. So subscription is directly sent to that subscriber is known as push. And pull means that subscriber is asking for updated data from the distributor. Okay, this is push and pull subscription. So hope you understand what is push and pull subscription. Thank you for watching.